settings day 1. Fried chicken in the making by the big chef Yardie Belly. Camp settings day 2 and the big chef at it again, preparing for lunch. Roast beef sandwich by the big chef Yardie Belly TV. Yardie Belly TV. Yeah, a lot of people them Yardie Belly. Yeah, food on the way. Yeah, and the staff over there.
No, me can't work with the workers them right now, you know. Because we're doing this thing in the bashment, yes. Yes. This is sweet and sour chicken. Yardie Belly style. Just have to go on it to give it to no. Just as how me get it, you know. Yes, man. Them say them ask me to make food and I have to make it Yardie Belly style. Remember me tell you. Sausage and beans for breakfast. Yeah, barbecue sausage and beans. This much. See there? Watch it. And over here we have watermelon done by the great chef himself. Yes. Watermelon. And the bread. Where the bread is? Oh yes, the bread. The bread is done by the wifey.
What about the egg?
Oh, the egg is done by the pot. Look at that. Dumpling, fried dumpling and eggs. Yes. And so the great Sister Cherry is frying up the eggs right there now. Yes. And Sister Grace looking because she don't know what's inside of the dumpling. She don't eat anything until she know what is inside of it. That's what's happening. Kitchen rules. Yardie Belly TV. This is what you do when you do what you do. Hold this camera from the right like such. Thank you so much. And just to finish up my curry chicken, just put some scallions on the top. This is gonna be part of dinner at our youth camp. See it right there? And it's done. Thank you so much.
Jerk chicken for the international night at camp. Underway. Yeah.
Not done yet, but we're doing it.
Not done yet. Chopping it up to put it back in the